Hello, it's Lee here from Fine and Country, and I've got a real treat for you today. I'm at Rydale, Sunnyside Road in the fantastic coastal surfing village of Woolacombe. Now this house is impeccably finished. It was built by the present owners back in 2012 for their own occupation. Now Sunnyside Road is one of the most sought after roads within the village. It's so conveniently located to all of the amenities and of course the fabulous 2.5 miles of golden sand surfing beaches. Now this house enjoys exceptional views out over the village, across the beach, out towards Baggy and Hartland Points, across the Atlantic Ocean and over to Lundy Island. It's a real fantastic vista. So let's take a look at this one now. So welcome inside Rydale, and the first thing that hits you here is this property is immaculately presented throughout. Now without a shadow of a doubt, the heart of the home is this fantastic 31-foot long kitchen cum family room with its state-of-the-art kitchen and integrated appliances. Now also on the ground floor we've got a lounge which has got superb sea views, and across the hallway there's a snug cum TV room with cinema sound. Now for practicality, there's a really good utility room as well, which is perfect for keeping all of the everyday essentials out of the way. And for those of you that work from home, there's a ground floor office as well. Now this room has got bifolding doors to both the front and the rear. Now not only do they frame those wonderful sea and coastal views, but it gives that really great connection between indoor and outdoor living and those outdoor entertaining areas. Now being a modern home, Rydale comes with lots of creature comforts. There's a gas-fired central heating system throughout the property, with the whole of the ground floor having underfloor heating. There's double glazed windows. On top of that, there's a wired-in speaker system that goes right the way through the property, and the snug across the hallway from where I'm sat in the lounge now has got cinema sound. Now the property does very well on its energy efficiency as well. The EPC rating is very high. Added to that, there are 2 solar panels on the roof which supplement the domestic hot water supply and the towel radiators. And finally, down by the garage, for those of you that have got an electric vehicle, there's an electric car charging point as well. So up on the first floor we've got 4 double-sized bedrooms. They really are very lovely sized, these, very generous. Most of the bedrooms have got their own built-in wardrobes, and all 4 have got their own very well appointed ensuite facilities. I'm actually stood at the moment on the balcony of the master bedroom, and imagine waking up to this view every morning. So here we are, we're out at the front of the property, and just imagine yourself sat on this superb sun terrace, soaking up those amazing sea and coastal views in behind me there. This is a great spot for an alfresco meal, a barbecue, or just sunbathing and enjoying the great outdoors. Now the fact that this is directly accessible from that kitchen cum family room, it helps to create that seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living. Now also at the front here there are lovely landscape gardens. There's a small lawn, and at the very front there's a double garage with an electric car charging point in front. Now the rear garden is another wonderful place to come and enjoy. There's a large patio which is directly accessible from the kitchen cum family room, thus connecting that indoor and outdoor living feeling. Now the dry stone walls throughout the property add a splash of character, and the colour from the plants and shrubs is a real delight. Now at the top of the garden there's the carefully positioned hot tub, which also has sea views, and just look at this lovely backdrop in behind me here of the open National Trust fields. So there we are, that is Rydale Sunnyside Road in Woolacombe, and I'm sure you'll agree with me, this one is a stunning family home in a wonderful location, enjoying superb coastal views and of course that convenience to the village amenities and those outstanding golden sand surfing beaches. Now to come and view this one, please do call us on 01 271 869 112. Many thanks.